Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm doing a quick size comparison between the iPhone XS Max and the LG Stylo 4. We're just going to put them side by side so you can see how they compare size-wise. So let's start right here. So if we just sort of look at the screens here, you are getting a little bit more screen because the 10 goes up here. Now obviously the bezel does cover a little bit of that. Then we look at how big the bezels are at the bottom here. So obviously it's almost no bezel here. But in terms of the amount of screen, you're just losing just a little bit of screen on the Stylo 4. And really it sort of cuts off just a little bit, maybe like 1/3 of an inch after, yeah, right here. So you get just a hair before you get to the bezel. So now, look at the size of the phones there. Let me look here. Not too much of a difference. They're both around the same thickness. The back here. Obviously camera placed in the middle versus on the left. We'll just stick one right on top of the other there. So that's sort of how the Max compares, but obviously this beautiful screen, this edge to edge, even though Stylo definitely is improved and does go edge to edge, the edge to edge is even better on the new XS Max. So that was it, guys. Just wanted to put them right side by side so you guys can see how they compare. In terms of just the size of the phone, the Stylo is just a hair taller. That's one of the things I like about the new XS Max, is it feels pretty good in your hand because it doesn't feel as big, even though it is a pretty big phone. It's not like, I don't know, it doesn't feel as large as, for example, the 8S Plus. So anyway, guys, this was just our quick side-by-side size comparison. Hope you guys did find that helpful. Like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. We've got some more videos coming, so stay tuned. Take care and have a good one.